This is the unboxing of the Medas 550 submersible pump. And here you can see some of the specs: 1 horsepower, 3,400 gallons per minute, and it has a cable length of about 16 feet. I'm going to open box this with one hand if I can. So we see the instruction manual here. Have an adjustable nozzle. So it comes with this attachment. And looks like you can attach a garden hose to it, or if you want, here's an adapter to put a garden hose on it. So I had to put the phone down so I could break that. So there, this will go on here like this. So you can easily put a garden hose on here. Here's the instructions.